by the final card that we're going to do for this series to complete the question that we just had about connecting with your spirit guides and your higher self. I chose a card to say, what do we all need to know here in this with this question? And I got love and fear. The choice is always between love and fear. The choice is always for yourself. The most common mistake made is to forget that the spiritual information sought after has no effect unless you put it into practice. The practice is only about using it for yourself. Most often it is seen how another should be doing it differently. The real worth of the learning is to take it to heart for yourself. Your eyes of the physical world look outward, so it is challenging to look deeply within. You generally see what improvements others need to make, but it is with reluctance that you see your own issues. This is where vigilance is needed. Remember to choose the love in your own life instead of fear. Remember to see the innocence of the other, who is you in reflection. Remember your own magnitude and the power that comes from the choice of love. Wow, what a great way to end the series. And these wonderful cards and this wonderful message about connecting with your guides and your spiritual self is sponsored by www.wisdomwithinrevolution.com, and it's the Wisdom Within Clarity cards that we are using right now. These wonderful cards will help you so much for so many things. And thanks for listening.